Counting table, a clever app to illustrate addition. Decomposition of numbers. Decomposition is shown as an addition or a subtraction. Insert into mozaBook. Insert the content of the app into your publication. Various exercises. Develop your mathematical skills through exercises.
In the following, we are going to show how to use the counting table app. Set whether the table should start with 0 or 1. Click on the header to hide unselected numbers from a given column or row. Click on the number to highlight it with the selected color. Choose from the 3 colors for highlighting numbers in the table. Hold down the mouse button to show the decomposition of the selected number. Click on this icon in order to set the type of decomposition. Click here if you wish to swap the parts of the addition. If you click here, the selected number will be decomposed to other numbers. Here you can switch between addition and subtraction. With the help of the arrows, you can go through the steps of the animation illustrating the mathematical operation. Drag and drop the operation and its illustration to insert into mozaBook. Click on this icon in order to go to the exercise selection page. Set the speed of the exercise.